I'm Chief Science Officer Saiba, and I represent Michigan on the CSO International Leadership Council. Today I'll be showing you this demonstration on paper chromatography. The first step we'll use is to use some of this chromatography paper. If you don't have this, you can also use normal tissue paper or coffee filter strips. We'll need to cut it into a short strip like this one here. Next, we'll just poke a hole with a bent paper clip, which you can just take a paper clip and open up the ends. You want to poke a hole somewhere near the top of the paper. This way we can put the paper clip through the hole and we'll be able to place it on a little container like this. You can choose your favorite color or of any marker and place a dot a couple centimeters off the end of the strip. This will be the dot that separates with the water. Now you can just place the strip inside your container. Now that we have this ready inside our container, we can take some water and slowly pour it in. We want it to touch the very bottom of our dot. Chromatography is a separation technique. In the ink, there's different components. Like when we used the green marker, we had yellow and blue as its components. The separation occurs due to the differences in the solubility of the components. For example, the components that are more soluble will go higher up on the chromatography paper, and vice versa. The result that occurs, as you can see here, this is called the chromatogram. Now that we've finished making our chromatogram, we can also think of other extensions with this. You can think of what happens when you use different types of pens or different types of markers. For example, you could try some permanent markers or you could try different colors. This right here, these two, are from a brown marker that I used. And as you can see, it separates into black and orange, which kind of makes sense since brown is a mix of orange and black. You can also try and see what happens when you use like a ballpoint pen and see can those separate, and you can try adding, instead of just dots, you can try putting lines or just mix things up and see what happens when you change things around. Thank you for reviewing this demonstration. I hope you enjoyed it and hope you can try it with your friends and family. Enjoy the rest of your LTI.